Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV. Everyone gets tired of these pistol chassis systems. You put your pistol in there and it makes it into a carbine or a rifle or whatever. We've seen 1,000 of them. There are 1,000 of them here at EWA at Enforce TAC, and there's gonna be 1,000 of them next year, but this is something different. I'm over here at Globserver looking at the PDW-4. This is a prototype chassis system that turns at this point CZ, P07, P09, but it should work theoretically with any pistol. It converts it not only into a carbine, but it makes it full auto. So this is kind of cool. Zoltan, tell me everything about it.
This is a very simple adapter. It is a holster, what is adapter, and we founded it for the policeman because the police patrol is the very first person who goes to the very scene when something happens. But he has only a semi-automatic pistol. If he need more firepower, he have one chance. He call his friends, or he call some help, or now
this is his friend.
Yes, his friend, because he able to remove his holster, what is became immediately submachine gun.
Right. No, I noticed this is a pretty neat little system here. So
yeah.
How does it actually work? How does it make it full auto?
Very simple. When you would like to use the pistol only, you move this way and pull out. When you use it like submachine gun, you have to pull it, and after it, you're able to shoot full automatic way. It's very important. When the enemy has a full automatic weapon, you have to answer full automatic way.
Oh, of course.
Because the effect is completely different. Immediately, they have to go behind the shelter, and when they try to look out, you shoot again.
Yeah.
3-4 shots, and you keep them in behind the shelter.
Yeah, keep behind the shelter.
And after it, the special forces, SWAT or any other help will arrive, and they have proper weapon to solve the problem.
Right, sure.
Until this one is enough to keep them behind the shelter.
And this is quite a bit of a problem solver itself.
Yeah.
How do you get it to function full auto though? That's what I'm curious about. So I rack it, charging handle, and I see that I've got like a bolt or something like back here, right? And then the trigger is down here.
Yeah.
I pull the trigger.
We find out when need the full automatic shot, you have to pull the trigger so quickly, like a full automatic rate.
Right.
This way, you're able to shoot with 600 shots per minute.
Oh, that's a good cyclical rate.
Yes, of course. And you're able to use it against everybody, because you're able to shoot more precise ways because you're targeting from your shoulder.
Right.
This way, the pistol, what is proper for you, only usually 20 meters. This way, until 40 meters, you're able to shoot more precise ways.
Right, sure. The 40-meter problem solver here. No, I love it. Got a little foregrip up front here, and I like this telescoping stock.
Yep.
And then it locks into place. You've got a button right here to deploy it, and then you've got a way to mount a red dot, I see.
Yeah, red dot or any kind of scope you're able to use. This sight is enough for shooting, but if you don't have sight, you're able to targeting mechanical way.
Sure, you have iron sights, backup iron sights as well.
But you have to know, it works with the energy of the shooting. With this energy what we use, and this energy will pull the trigger. This way works.
I see. What pistols does it work with? You've got a CZ.
CZ 09, because it is at the Hungarian Defense Forces now. If you would like to use with other type of weapon, within half hour, 1 hour, I able to adjust the mount, and after it, only that type of weapon you able to use inside.
I see. So I could make this work with a number of different pistols, like a Glock, for example, if I wanted to.
Glock 70 is very good and very popular all over the world.
Yeah.
Maybe if somebody wants it, we're able to adjust it.
I see. Now, you mentioned that this was, what, the 4th or 5th generation of this? How long has this device been in production?
At this moment, it is metal. The next step, we would like to make it from 3D plastic, and after some test, we will make it from real plastic, and after it, we able to give it to field testing for police or army. In my opinion, from now, the first step is 3 months, the other step is minimum half year. In my opinion, 8, 9, 10 months need to reach the final version.
I see. So this has not been deployed yet. This is still a prototype.
This is the only one all over the world.
Well,
you are one of the first who carry in his head.
Oh, I see. So do I get to keep this one? Take this back to the United States?
No problem. We have some offer for it, but maybe don't have enough money somewhere.
Well, I'll tell you this. If you can 3D print them, you just take it. You want some testing, just airdrop these all over Chicago, and you'll have people there testing them for you for free.
Discuss it. We can discuss
yeah, we'll discuss it. Yeah, it's no problem.
No problem.
Zoltan, thank you very much. I very much appreciate the rundown. This is actually a really neat, it's an unorthodox system, but if it works, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Coming to the United States next week. No. Obviously, we'll probably never get this in the US, but this is a very neat system. Thank you for giving us the walkthrough, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from Enforce Tech 2025.
Vader.